Mountain pose. It's the base for all standing poses, and it gives you a sense of how to ground into your feet and feel the earth below you. The mountain pose may seem like simply standing, but there's a lot going on. It's the basis of all movement from a standing position. So this is your start and finish position. The feet should be all toes on the floor. Your weight evenly through the whole of the base of the foot. Legs straight, thighs contracted, glutes contracted, tummy with a slight bit of tension in it. Just about 10 or 20%. Not fully, not totally pulled in. And shoulders relaxed and down, nice and upright as if you're being pulled through the top of the head, and chin in. Mountain pose.